Hi everyone, it's Maureen from Massachusetts. How's everyone this evening? I'm doing pretty good. Been working like a crazy fool. I am not kidding you folks. Excuse me. I have been working out here in my back room and I have been cleaning, and even though actually I think it is starting to look like I did, there's still a lot of stuff in here because this is my workroom. This is where I do a lot of stuff. So it's going to have a lot of product and supplies out here. However, I can tell you that I have taken several big bags of trash out of here. I went through all my paints and I threw away a whole bunch of old dried up paints. I dusted and washed all those shelves. I have a little bit more to do over there. Got rid of all those flowers over there, and that's an open bin now. And the stuff that's on it is not staying there. It's the next step is to get rid of some of that because I want that open shelving. It's a nice clear heavy-duty plastic, like a store display. And I'll tell you why. Let me get some tissue for just a moment because my nose is running out here. I get out here and then everything, here we go. Everything wants to just, excuse me for just a second. It snowed here in New England. Beautiful scenery. Great for photography, right? And I have yet to get out there, and I need to. I know that I need a day or an hour or two where I just go sit outside and let that cold air get in my lungs. Maybe bring a cup of hot cocoa or tea or coffee with me and burn some incense and just let the universe provide, right? That's what we're doing. Because I know I need that because I have just been working fast and furious. Folks, I'm a late owl. I stay up late. However, this past week, I've been staying up so late and I've been sleeping till about noon. I am not kidding you. Cray cray. And I'm feeling it too. I can't be doing that. But it's because I wanted so much to get this room organized. Now, I did do, and I'm going to show it all when I'm done. I'm not quite done with stuff, and I want even more of what looks like clutter out of here. But I am so, I'm about 2/3 done, and then I will showcase a better back room. How's that? And so in all of that, there's one window there, and it had old curtains and just dingy and needed my attention. The whole window, washing it now. There's a vinyl blind in that window, and it's kind of an odd shaped window. This is an old farmhouse. And this room, I believe, is like an old potato shed, or a bike shed, or one of those. So I got my pink stuff and window cleaner and all that, and I went to town, and that blind would not come out of the window because I think my husband and his former wife, somehow they nailed it in there, and I wasn't going to fight with it and try to take the slats out to get it all down. So guess what? I washed every single blade of that stupid vinyl blind. Yes, I did. I got it clean, and I think she passed the white glove test. Then I did the windows, and I did all the baseboards, and I put up a new curtain, a thrifted one, that's much prettier, more graphic, very pretty. And I put my stuff there. I got rid of the big computer that was there that hadn't been used in several years. I don't even know how to go on that computer. It was one of those big ones. And it was also a TV, and I did like watching movies there for many years, but even that wasn't working properly. It's still good. We're going to try to sell it on Facebook Marketplace out of our barn. somebody who knows about computers can tinker with it, upgrade it, and you've got a nice piece of equipment, you know. But it's not serving me for what I do, so that has to go out of here. And that's over there. But I moved it from there, brought in my computer, all my notes and things that I need, and what I'm doing next. What is my 2023 new endeavor, venture? I want to sell on eBay. And so I have opened up an eBay store. Now, when I say opened up, I have sold on eBay. We have sold on eBay in the past. However, not at a rapid rate or anything. And I realized through all this learning that I'm doing and research that I'm doing and YouTubing that I'm doing and learning from all of you YouTubers, and thank you for that, because I've learned a lot and you're great and you're very honest and transparent, and I'm loving that, and I'm learning so much, and you need to know that. I think you know who you are. So anyway, with all of that, my quest, my goal this year is to sell at a higher level on eBay, and clothing and hard goods. Now, we were always more of the porcelain hard goods, not so much clothing. I didn't know anything about clothing, although I love to thrift, so why not? And I'm learning so much about brand names and everything. I don't know what just happened with everything. I don't know why the light went out. I'm learning about, I've got my O-ring here, and I'm learning about all that too. Oh.